lovelies, this is Michelle, and I am trying to squeeze one more in before, let me raise this up, before the end of the month. All right, there we go. I'm trying to squeeze one more in before the end of the month, and then I go on my Christmas in July. So let's see, let's grab some of the change. And let's see, what do I have in my change for today? Let's get the calculator. It's not a lot of change, but I've got 125. Sorry for the reach. 10, 20, 30. 2, 4, 5 in pennies, and 15 cents in nickels, which brings me to 175. So that's all it's going to be going in for today. It's $1.75, but it's $1.75 more than what was in there, and that's how I look at it. So, let's see. What color would I like to use today? And let's see here. Okay, so what do we have that's high up here today? Let me grab my glasses. And, oh, I forgot to say, it's Friday, the 26th. This is the last Friday of June, everybody. I hope you're ready for the weekend. We may have some rain coming in our area, but that's okay. I do have a pin meetup to go to today. So that should be fun at Pin Boutique. The last Friday of the month, sometimes they have a meetup and we all get together, bring our pens and inks and stuff. So I'll be doing that tonight. But that being said, I have $1.75 to work with. So let's see, what's the highest number that I still have up here? So I try to go from the highest to the lowest. So it looks like it's going to be 84 cents. So minus 84. So that leaves me, let me get a good color here. 84, that leaves me 91 cents. And let's go down here to the bottom. And do I have anything down here at the bottom that that has a penny left off of it, that's low? No, I don't. Let's see, what's the lowest one that I have right now is 10 cents, so minus 10. Oh, nope, that's too close to that color. Let's get a different color. Let's do a blue. Nope, this color too close to that color too. Let's do pink. Okay, so now I have 81 cents. I actually have 81 cents up here. So let's go ahead and do 81 cents. All right, that took me down to 0. So that, my friends, is my coins for today. It's filling in nicely. Okay, so let's put that back there. That's done. Let's move this out the way. And let's see, what do I want to do first? Not sure I'm doing that one. Let me put that aside. I will be doing Let's Travel. Let's put this to the side. And we'll do the travel one today. And Let's see, I am bringing $10 like normal. And here's my $10 for the bank, hiding back here. And let's see if we get lucky and complete anything today. We have 6 challenges. 6 pockets here. And let's see, let's get my tower and my 6-sided die. And we are going to start rolling. I have $10 worth of prop coins here, and I put in 2 for each one. And that was number 1. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5 again. Number 3. Number 2. So is everyone ready for the weekend? Number 2. Number 1. I am. I'm ready. I don't have anything planned, but I'm ready. 1 again. 1 again. Number 5. And number 2. I got something in 2 already. I'll just put them in 2. What the heck? Okay. Let's set that to the side. And let's get started. Let me put that away. Let's see. I need this. Okay. I've got my prop money. And let's see. These are all $1 each. 2, 3, 4. That's $1. 1, 2. Let's see. Do we have anything in here from last time? Ooh, we do. Okay, so 1. That's $1. That's another $1. And 75. Okay, so what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's get our prop dollars. 1, 2, and 3. And let's see. So I have them. So that leaves 4, and then we have 75 left over for the next go round. Okay, and roll number 2. We've got 1, 75. Anything in here? Aha! We've got 2, and ooh, looks like we can complete another one. 2. And should be 16. And I don't think I pulled it. Nope, I didn't. 14, 15, and 16. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 16. Okay, so that one is complete. So let's pull out another one for when we start again. And I will put this 25 cents in here. Okay, so number 3 got $1.50. And what do I have in here? So we can mark off 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And let's see, can I buy anything? Nope. So that's 14. Okay. But it's moving right along. And we got 50 cents on that one. And we already had. Okay, so let's see here. I'm just gonna. We got 50 cents and we had 75. Let's grab one, excuse me, and put $1 in. Okay. And that can go in here for the next go round. And number 5 received. Oh, well, we only need 1. So let's start with the 1. Right off the bat, let's do that one. And that 16 is going with this one. And let's pull these out. Put that there, and I do have 1 left. So let's see here. So we've got that's 75, so we can do 2 more. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This can go in for our next go round. And we have 75. I'm going to take a 50. Put that over there. And we have 75 for when we come back and start this one up again. You didn't get anything into 6. So now let's go in and pull out the money. Okay, 10, 2, 10, 12, 14, 15. No, I don't have any more. Okay. 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. So that will go with this one. That there, that there. And let's put this over here. And do I, oh, looks like I have pulled some money from this before. So let's get the money, let's get the correct amount in here. Oops, I dropped it. It went a boom. Okay. 15, 16. I will put that back in here. Let's pull this. That goes there. That goes there. And that goes there. Let's close this up so I don't get it on me. And ding, 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 ding. Those 2 are done. All right. Let's pull these. And let me see here. Let me make sure I still have. I have some paper ones in here that I really don't like the paper ones. Okay, so let me see here. What do I have over here? I have in this one $1.75. So I'm going to put paper ones in here instead of my laminated ones. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, excuse me. Nope, that's not 4. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I'm going to double count that because I'm going to be putting this away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we've got the 10 that we will start with next, well, in July. I don't think I'm going to be doing these while I'm doing Christmas in July, but I'm not sure, so I will be putting that to the side. Actually, I'm going to put this in the back. Just going to throw those back there. Okay, so now that one is complete. I did the other one. We have this one. Okay, those two are done. Now, I like doing this. Let me get my book. And let's pull out, well, I should say my pad. Okay, let's see here. Let's pull out the spin the wheel. And this gets $10 into the bank. Let's pull out my trusty calculator. Let's see, can you see that? Yes, you can. Okay, so I put $10 there. Now, let's spin the wheel. Get my trusty marker. Make sure everything's in frame. Doo-doo. And we will go to number 60. And this is number 60. And I can't remember if I was doing a 3-sided die. Actually, let me move this down, put that there. Okay, here we go. It is going to get 3 marked off. 1, 2, and 3. And this one does not have who it was from, but we will take minus 3. So we have $7 left to play with. And spin again. I like doing it this way. Do, do, do. Okay, so we will go to 83. 83 is in the dollar section. So these will be $1 each. And I did that wrong. Okay, I started off with 10. And I did my first one, and I got 3, so that should be 75. Minus 0.75. So now we're down to 925. I will be marking off 3 on this. I'm glad I caught that. 1, 2, 3. Now these are all $1 each. So this is minus $3. Okay, and this is from Nautilus Budgets. These are one of some of her old ones, but I still have them. I'm still using them, and they are serving me well. So let's go ahead and roll again. And I forgot to put the ones in the blank spots, but I will do that today. And let's go back to number 11, which are all 25 cents. And we will mark off 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, which is 75 cents. So that brings me to $5.50. And this particular one is from Savvy Girl Saves. Some of them have the names on them and some don't. They may have gotten cut off when I was cutting them out. Okay, it's moved to 82. All right. 82 is in the dollar section. Because what I did was, ones that don't have a lot of them are $1. Ones that have a lot of spots on them are 25 cents. Okay, so let's see. How many will we be marking off today? 2. 1, 2. So that brings me down to $3.50. And this one is from Budget with PJ. Okay, let's go to the next one. I have no idea how much this is going to save, but it's fun. $29. And this is from Saving with Glow. Let's see how many we will be putting away for this one. 1. I'm going to roll again because I don't like doing just 1. Okay, so we'll do 2. And that will be 50 cents. So that brings me down to $3. And where will it stop? 34, 33, 32. Nope, 33. This is Saving with Glow. And these are still the 25 cents. Right? These are still 25, right? Yeah, it's 25. So we got 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 0.75. So $2.25. Let's spin again. $71. Okay, I'm still in the 25-cent range. And this one is, I don't know. But it's, sorry about that. Let's roll and see. And we got 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 0.75. So that brings us to $1.50. Let's spin again. Number 8 is Save with Glow. And how many will we mark off today? 3. 1, 2, 3, which will be points. Nope, it was $1.50. 1.50 minus 0.75. Okay, there's that one. Let's go again. I still have 75 cents. $57. And this is budgeting by Dina, and it's cut off, so I can't see what the rest of it says. But let's see. I got 25, I got 50. I'm just going to go ahead and put in 3 and make it down to the 75 cents. All right, everyone, where did this come from? Not right here. Minus 0.75 brings me down to 0. All right. That, ladies and gentlemen, is my savings for the end of June. I think I did quite well. I managed to, oh, wait a minute. Am I doing anything in this one? No, nothing's going to happen in this one this time. Well, you know what? I am going to, no, I'm going to hold that till the next one. All right. I did manage to have 2 savings, $16 each. I will take it. Let me clean up my mess that I just dropped on the floor over here. And there we go. This will close out. This will close out. No, well, maybe I could still probably squeeze one more in next week, but I'm not sure. This might just close out my June. But I hope you all enjoyed that video. And if you did, you'll give me a thumbs up, a like. If you're new, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. But thanks for coming and watching my channel. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. Stay safe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.